Hello guys, welcome to this video. Last video, we were able to create a folder and we named it OS folder, which is sitting desktop right here, which is this guy that is sitting on my desktop right here. So we're able to do that by using this method, or sorry, this function os.dir. So in this tutorial, I'm going to make a nested folder. It's just like a folder inside a folder. And how can we do this? We're going to make is what is called os.makedirs. So let me write it down. It's going to be os.makedirs. Look at the name. The name is a little bit different from os.mk. This mk directories. So as to make a directory. So which directory do I want to make? I want to make a directory inside this of our initial directory that we made, which is this guy. I want to create a directory inside there. We can name it subdirectory. So let me go back. Let me just copy this, because I'm still going to go to that of this directory. So inside here, I'm going to create another directory. Let me call it subdirectory. Hope I spelled that correctly. So it's going to be a subdirectory. Let me put it in capital letter. When I run this, it's going to go into this our OS folder, which is talking about this guy, and it's going to create another folder inside it, which is going to be called subdirectory. So let's run it and see. You can see it runs successfully without any error. So let's go to that of our folder and see whether it actually worked well. So this is the folder. Let me open it. You can see subdirectory. So you can see here we created another folder inside of a folder. Remember, you can name it anything you want. Its name must be this specified here. It can be any name of your choice. So let me create another one. Let me call it sub2. Okay, let's run this. It ran successfully without any errors. So let's go back. Let's go into this guy. Let me increase this. You can see another directly sub2. So you can create as many as you want. This was our first one, while this guy was our second one we just created. So let me close this. Let's go back. Video basically I want us to do in this video to how to create subdirectories, or to create folders inside a parent folders. So I think this should be it for this video. I'll be happy to see you in the next one.